Drivers like him is the reason why we got traffic. That is really bad. What up, man? About to see if I can do an oil change on my ride. Boop. Here it is. Ain't nothing too fancy, man. It's my daily, the Sonata. And today we about to figure out to see if I can go ahead and knock this oil change out. Now, right now, the weather is kind of crazy out here. They've been talking about storms and all this other good stuff. Or not really good stuff, but y'all catch what I'm saying. Oh, oil. My window stopped working? Oh, I'm about to say, I thought my window stopped working for a minute. Yeah, but we about to see if I can go ahead and knock out this oil change for this car. I'm actually way overdue, man. Like, this is bad. This is really, really bad. I'm curious to see what the oil gonna look like. When I tell you I'm over, I'm a little embarrassed. I don't even want to show y'all, man. Like, I really don't. But we just gonna see what the oil looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and head up to AutoZone because it's right around the corner. Oh, she's not even paying attention. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's right around the corner, see it? Like fucking golf carts. I don't even know why they be riding around this bitch and not even paying attention. I'm about to hit their ass. Yeah, we about to go up to AutoZone, see what this oil talking about. Y'all stay tuned. About to dissect the car, super big style. Yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. The only thing that's just on my mind is this. What does this oil look like? What does it look like, man? Cause man, look at the view. Y'all see it, man. Nice view. What does this oil look like, man? It's been almost
10,000 miles.
Y'all probably thinking like, you know, because nowadays we got oil change interval of 10,000 miles. But nah, bro, this ain't that. This ain't the car, bro. Like, the interval is not no damn 10,000 miles. The interval is actually like 3. So, yeah. Yeah, shame on me. I shouldn't have let it get to this, but for unfortunate reasons and, you know, stuff. Yep, so we gonna see. All right, y'all, we in AutoZone right now. We're gonna see what oil I'm about to get. Need a 520. I'll take that. All right, y'all, heading back now. I got the oil and the filter. Hopefully I got everything that I need as far as tool-wise because I do not want to come back up here. But honestly, we're just gonna have to see. Y'all stay tuned. Drivers like him is the reason why we got traffic. Like, what is you doing, bro? Why are you hitting the brakes? You're not turning nowhere. You're not stopping. We're doing like a smooth, like 22 right now. Oh, no, hold on. He picking, oh, no, never mind. I thought he was picking up speed. I guess it was a little bit too fast for him. But that's the exact reason why we got traffic out here, bro. Everybody drive Bentleys. This one in front of me just got an Acura badge on it, you know? It's a Bentley at heart, so you just gotta cruise and, you know, just look nice. That's what it is, man. Everybody drive Bentleys. Now look at that. GMC Bentley, Honda Bentley. But y'all get what I'm saying, man. I just popped the hood and the car made it sound like, what are you doing? Gotta change your oil, bitch. Cause y'all see the sky? I don't think I got too much time, man. So we about to make this happen real quick, bro. I was freaking out at first. I thought I didn't have the right drain plug size, but it takes a 17. Thank God. I thought this shit took a 15. All right. Underneath the Sonata. Look at that straight pipe, man. I need to cut off some stuff. It's right next to the fucking pipe. Like, I don't know what engineers be thinking when they be designing this shit, but they do not be thinking about maintenance. Filter was loose. Real loose. Woo. Look how black that is. That is black. Jesus goodness. Yeah, that's pretty bad. The filter was so damn loose, I just didn't even take me nothing to break it loose. Look. Just gonna let that drip. I wonder how much oil is in here though. It's already starting to rain though. Oh damn, that's not rain, that's oil on my phone. Oh, hold on. All right, might as well just give y'all a little tutorial, man, how to do oil change, right? So you gotta, every time you take out the oil filter, you gotta wipe that clean, wipe this plate clean. Just pop the filter first because, well, you drain the oil and you can't get the filter off. It's gonna be a waste of oil change. All right, y'all, I'm in a little bit better position now. So about to just pop the plug. Oh shit. Hold on. All right. You can tell this shit been on there for a minute, bro. It's been on here for a good minute. Uh-oh. A little loose, got turned it. Okay. All right, y'all, I'm over the truth now. Oh, Jesus, I'm shaking. Whew. I'm not, but you know, I just got to give off the whole dramatic effect, you know what I mean? Here we go. Woo, look at that. Look at all that dirt coming out, bro. Damn, this is bad. I went so long with the oil change. Look at the damn, look at the washer on my drain plug, man. Look at my drain plug gasket. It's melted on my drain plug. I need to do one. I hope the oil can fit in here. All right, we just gonna take to it. I got a little, yeah, for me, I always love to pour a little bit more oil in there. Give myself like a little engine flush on, like one side of the motor. It still flushes it out. I leave the drain plug off and I just pour some oil down in there. Let it kind of flush out this extra stuff until it gets kind of clear. It wasn't too bad, man. It wasn't too bad. It actually surprised me. That's what I'm gonna do. So I really don't care. I mean, I do, but you know what I'm saying? Let's make sure it's lubed up. It's an easy take off. All right, it's nice and lubed up, so now we can go ahead and put this sucker back on. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty clean underneath here. You know, the car almost has 200,000 miles or so. Ooh, come on, twist for me. A rag, make sure it's tight on there. About to add some oil in now. Ooh, pencil. Oh shit. Real quick, I did want y'all to see like what the oil's supposed to look like. Look, that's what it's supposed to look like. Y'all remember what the color it was when it came out the car, so yeah. It's on, everything's in place, about to start it up, see? If I messed anything up, and the engine blows. But the show is about to storm. See the wind, trees moving. See, so we gotta hurry this up, man, so I can go ahead and test it out. Let's fire up. We're back in business. Let's check the leaks. Running's like butter now. No valve tap anymore upon startup. Check the leaks. No leaks. All right, she sound good. Let's see how it performs now. I wonder. Damn, I'm scared. I'm scared of lady sitting there. It's more responsive. And it's like minimal hesitation. That's what the car had needed. You better move out the way, baby, before you gonna get hit. I'll get 15 points off your ass. Damn, where are these cars coming from, bro? Like, I just do a quick little U. drive pretty good, man. That should be hopping up. Bro, my phone had died. Woo, boy, look at that. Sonata fired up, man. Sonata's good, bro. Running good, running strong. Let's check out the aftermath of the tires. Oh, it still got tread, yeah. Man, but y'all seen it, bro. Sonata done. Oil change on it good, riding good. So that's it for this one. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, y'all be safe.